I'm Popo. Today I'm going to show you wind direction from an anemoscope. For materials, you will need glue tag, scissors, a paper cup, a pin, a big straw, 2 small straws, and an arrowhead and an arrow tail. First, I need to cut out the arrowhead and tail from a piece of cardboard. Next, we need to cut the straw for the heads and tails. You need to be careful when cutting. You need to cut 2 centimeters for the arrowhead and a little bit deeper for the arrow tail. Then put the arrow head and tail into the straw. If the arrow is loose, then put some tape on it. There we go. Oh, it's a little bit loose. I'll use some tape. After that, use another straw as the pole and attach it to the arrow by using a paper clip. Like this. And then use some glue tag. Then you need to poke a hole inside of the puck. Like this. Oh no, it's too small. Let's use some scissors. Then put the big straw into the hole. There we go. And then we can put the arrow into the big straw. And we're done! Now let's test it out. Look, it's following the fan. It works. This is how the anemoscope works. The arrow tail is bigger than the arrow head, so when the wind blows from this direction, it will hit the arrow tail, and the arrow tail will rotate until it is parallel to the wind. So, it means that the arrowhead will always point to the wind's direction. Did you enjoy the video? If you did, please like, comment, and share, and also subscribe to my channel.